Look what I just received from Shack Pack, just in time for our vacation. And check this out. So you are gonna get 4 bags plus a laundry bag too. And seeing is believing, it is really an awesome set. So you're able to pack so many of your items and have it be separated from the rest and still being organized. And there's extra large, large, medium, and smaller bags. So you're gonna get 4 of them, as well as a laundry bag too. Perfect, because you know when you are on a vacation or traveling, you're gonna have some laundry to bring back. So you can just open it up and put it in, and then tighten it up and close it up. How perfect is this? So I'm already in love. You're going to be receiving 4 bags, and this is the size small one. And this one measures 11 by 6.75 inches by 4 inches in height. This is the medium size bag, and this one measures 13.75 inches by 9.75 inches by also 4 inches in height. The large size one, this one measures 13.75 inches by 12.75 inches by also 4 inches in height. And this one is the biggest one, which is the extra large size. And this one measures 17.5 inches across by 12.75 inches and also 4 inches in height. Now you're going to notice that they all have mesh. That's so your clothing is going to be able to breathe, as well as it has double zippers. So you're able to pack your belongings very easily. And this is perfect for up to a 14-day trip. And they've also included this paper right here that will help you pack. So for example, the extra large will hold a sweater, a pair of pants, 2 shorts, and also 4 underwear as well. And the medium will pack 7 shorts and blouses, as well as your pair of pajamas. So you can pick and choose what you want to bring, or just do it yourself. So you're the boss and it's up to you. But it's nice that it tells you what you could put inside there just for ease of use, so you don't forget. And now I'm going to pack up my belongings because we are going to be going on a trip right now. And then you're going to see it all packed nice and neat. Look at how awesome this is. It was able to pack all my items, and I still have more room as well. I was able to pack my hoodie, my sweaters, leggings, and pants, as well as underwear and socks, and lots of t-shirts, short sleeves, as well as long sleeves, 2 toiletry bags, and even some more items I threw in. So I'm very pleased with it, and look how nice this is. And this is also the laundry bag, and I'm definitely very pleased with this, and I know I'm going to be able to use this many years to come. This is really good quality. And let me show you what it looks like. So here's the first one. And the nice thing about these are they're geometrically shaped, so you're able to do the different configurations with them. And look how nice. Very heavy duty, very strong. And because it's mesh too, and you can kind of see what's inside it, it's going to be very useful for when I am unpacking. So at a glance, you're able to see what is in your luggage and what you need to unpack first. And look how nice this is. And plus you can play around with the configurations. Let me show you what it looks like in my luggage. This fit perfectly into my luggage, and even with more room to spare. Perfect. Very pleased with this product. These are pretty awesome, right? And each one of these also have a handle too. So very easy to carry even on its own. And if you want, you can even hang it up on a hook in the closet as well. So perfect, or the bathroom too. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful. Happy travels!